Alright, hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if this is your first time here, don't leave without subscribing. I am on I should say that I eat a lot of healthy food, and it's kind of a challenge now living in the US since everything, well, not everything, the things that are easily accessible and that are affordable are GMO based or basically unhealthy for us. So don't leave without hitting the subscribe button to my YouTube channel so that you could follow me on my natural journey, natural organic food. Not everything is organic, but I'm trying, I'm getting there. Okay, so today I went to Borough Hall in Brooklyn, and I'm actually looking for like an organic thing set up, and I'm being challenged basically because here in Flatbush, this is Flatbush, Brooklyn. I live off Flatbush. It's really difficult to find organic food. Like a lot of the supermarkets may have one or two organic stuff, but there's no organic section. Someone referred me to the natural food market or natural. Okay, I can't remember the name of it. It's a natural market basically in Borough Hall. There's one here in Flatbush, I think, but I didn't go because I went on Amazon to buy the stuff, and I just wanted to see if buying the stuff on Amazon was better than buying the stuff at the market, at the natural market. Okay, so this, well, I got a few. Let me start with the, no, I'm not going to start with the fruits first. I'm going to start with the snacks that we got first. Alright, so this is Annie's Homegrown Organic White Cheddar popcorn. It's not a lot. Well, guess what? Where are the ingredients? Okay, it's not vegan. Sorry for all the vegan people or the plant-based eaters watching. It's not vegan because it has milk and cheese in there, but they say it's organic. This is the first thing that I got. In total for everything, I'll tell you what I paid for everything at the end of the video. Then, as you can see, we started eating the stuff. So then I got the back to, this is really nice, by the way. I did say it's very light and it kind of melts in your mouth. It's really nice. And then there's the Back to Nature chocolate chunk cookies. Is this vegan? This is vegan because it doesn't have milk. And it's cocoa butter they used instead. So this is vegan, which is super awesome. This tastes really nice. And by the way, a good way to eat like sweet foods or unhealthy foods or foods that you really don't want to eat is to go by the serving size. So like if you look at the nutrition facts here, it tells you serving size. This is 2, so your serving size is 2 because your body can only really take on so much at a time or per day or whatever. I don't know what's the timeline for a serving size, but it says servings per container about 10. This actually has way more than 10 in there, so this is nice. We got Nature's Plus Source of Life, Children's Chewable multivitamin. It says it's non-GMO and it's organic and blah blah blah. Well, the one thing I like about this natural market in Borough Hall, I'll even leave the address and everything in the description box down below, is that everything in there is either natural or organic. Healthy. It's healthy. It's nice. We also got dried beet chips. I love beetroot. I love chips. I love anything. Even if I don't like something and it's comes in like chip form, you'll get me to eat it. So I'm actually going to try one now because this is the only thing I didn't try. They put fruit juice. I knew something was wrong. This would have been nice minus the fructose. Well, beetroot is, to me, not to me, beetroot is sweet naturally. To me it's even sweeter than carrots most of the time. They did not need to put fructose in this. It tastes so good, but it's just too sweet. They just didn't have to put. It tastes nice. It's nice. This is nice. Like, and then you know that it's real because after you're done chewing it down, like the trash from the beet, it's left in your mouth. So this is nice. They had like okra chips. I definitely would like to go back there to check out like the stuff that they have. I won't go back there for produce, but just to browse the store and get like snacks and stuff, I'll definitely go back there. These are organic bananas. And tip, if you want to know if fruits are organic by label, a good way to tell is by the number on the label. If you go to the supermarket and you see the label with a 4-digit number, it's not organic. But if you see this 5-digit number, it is organic. The fruits cost an average of $1 each for each fruit. For each, like a finger of banana costs like 89 cents or something. I got 3 apples. This is red apple. This is as I said, everything is organic. And the first thing that tell me what you notice with this apple. Just look at it and tell me. And my father picked it up. Just what do you notice? It's dull. Like, it looks sheeny because it's nighttime and the light is shining onto the thing, but it's dull. Like, this is the first time I've seen like a dull apple. All my life I've been seeing apples with sheen. So they say that the apples with sheen are waxed apples, and most likely if it's waxed, it's synthetic, and that's not good for your body. Okay, so these are, they say Navel orange. I got 5 of these and a pint. Now these are left for like smoothies. Every morning I have like a smoothie. So there's just one more thing that I got, lemons, and this really looks organic. Most of the lemons that you see, well, all the lemons that you see in the supermarket, they're really pretty. They're pretty and they don't have like any blemishes and stuff, and this just looks real jacked up. This kind of looks like the lemon that grows in Jamaica. They're really bumpy on the outside and ugly. So another tip, organic fruits are usually very ugly, but sweet to the taste, authentic to the taste. That's all, guys. Please check out my Instagram. I'm becoming like this. Well, I was always a foodie, but my IG is like being taken over with food. I'm becoming foodie, like I just food. So check out my IG. Don't be afraid to follow because I'm going to be posting. I'm trying to post more on my IG. And oh, by the way, the price, everything came up to like $42 for everything. So I'll list in the description box down below. I'll put a list down below of everything that I purchased. I don't remember the price individually because I think I tossed the receipt. And I'll see the next one. Before you go, I have a vegan food list or a plant-based food list of videos that I started cooking plant-based food on the channel. I'm not only going to do plant-based, but basically what I'm trying to do is organic, but mostly plant-based. So I'll link it in the description box down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.